Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes on Tuesday, the 24th of July here at Share Talk. Starting off with Angus Energy, where the chart has shown a little breakout through the resistance line there from November, above 7.5 pence. We're hoping for a move towards the 200-day line at 11 pence. Also, obviously, don't forget to check out the second part of the interview I did with Paul Vonk, Managing Director of Angus Energy. That's live on Twitter and zakmir.com and Share Talk as well at the moment. Moving along to a stock which I think the breakout here was I think around the 45 pence level middle of last month. Since then, AorTech has gone from strength to strength, a bit of a mid-move consolidation here between 70 and 80 pence at the moment. V-shaped bull flag there, and it looks as though if we can break through or hold above 80 pence on an end-of-day close or a weekly close, the next target here could be as high as £1.20. Only back below, let's say 65 at this stage, would even question the ongoing break to the upside. Stock that I haven't looked at here before, but thought I'd just throw in because it looks so strong, or outstanding at least, rather than strong. Gapped up today for Amiad Water Systems. And we've got a potential target here while we hold above that gap as high as 300 pence, which would obviously be the peak of quite a stellar run that we've seen since October. On to another stock which I haven't looked at here before, and it comes in the form of a stock with a rather strange epic code, C4X Discovery. Here we've got a situation where we had the big bear trap gap reversal in April. Been consolidating ever since above the 200-day moving average at 84, and waiting for a break of 100 pence to take us back to the best levels of the year to date towards £1.50. So maybe put that on your watch list. Nice gap to the upside today through the 50-day moving average. Normally a reliable signal. Covered Ncondezi yesterday, but as I'm so proud that I can actually say the name of the company, and also the shares have closed above or pushing above 10 pence, which was the trigger mentioned yesterday. Thought it was worth repeating it today. We've got a top of February 2017 price channel target as high as 18 pence. And while we're above the gap here this week, around around 8.8 pence, we're looking for that 18 pence target to be with us relatively soon, say the next 1 to 2 months. Stock that I covered a couple of weeks back, but and seems to be doing rather well, is Skinbiotherapeutics. Difficulty saying that, unfortunately, but here we've got a situation where we're just approaching the previous highs of the year. That was around the 19 pence level, and a break of that should take us quite cleanly and clearly towards 24-25 pence at that March resistance line projection. Only back below the 50-day moving average of 15.5 really questions or queries the upside scenario here. Stock which I think is also new to Bulletin Board Heroes, mixing it up a bit here, is Synairgen. A brilliant looking chart here with the gap above the 50-day moving average last month, rising parallel 50 and 200-day moving averages, and after the pullback and a bit of a clean out, no doubt we've got a gap higher today, showing or signaling that we could be back on for another fresh bull phase. As far as the upside is concerned, well, obviously you can see the old 30 pence plus peak of last year, and overall cup and handle type formation. So it does look very, very encouraging. Above the 50-day moving average at 16 pence, probably looking for a target as high as 50 pence, hopefully, over the next few months. So that is a very exciting and encouraging looking situation there. Finishing off with an old friend as far as the bulletin boards are concerned, Thor Mining. I did say before that I was looking for an end of day close above the 200-day moving average, now at 2.3 pence. It's rising strongly, but it looks as though really we've broken this symmetrical triangle around the 2 pence level, and while we're above 2 pence, just down to that 50-day moving average at 1.91, I would expect a decent retest of the best levels of the year to date, around 4 to 4.5 pence. Obviously, if you are cautious, just still wait for that 200-day line to break. That's it from me. More updates on Share Talk at the same time tomorrow.